This is the 2018 BMW X3 M40i. Giving it a nice welcome drive point of view with this new GoPro that I got, and I'm gonna try to test it out, see how it does. We'll be hooking up a mic soon to the exhaust, hopefully this week. That'll be another video, but this should be fun. Hope you guys enjoy. That was awesome. That was sick. Ooh, that was loud. That was nice. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was sick. Love this stock exhaust.
Hello there.
I think sounds good. Give it a little rev. Sounds nice. A little shot. This thing's a beauty. Well guys, that's the 2018 BMW X3 M40i with the B58. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Laters.